Mila. No, I don't want the remote. Can you brush hair? Can you brush hair? Good job. Good job. Brush Mommy's hair. Brush hair. Brush Mila's hair. Brush hair. Oh, Mommy's hair again. Brush hair. Here. Mila. 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 Can you say milk? Mila, can you say Mommy's milk? Mila. Mommy's milk? Good job. Good job, baby. Don't eat it. Can you give kisses? No, give kisses facing Mommy. Can you give kisses? Good job. Kisses.